Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Today's the day. Pulling the motor, and I will be getting that prepared to taking what I need off of this block and putting it onto the new block. Should take me, we'll see how long it takes me, because I also have to leave it around 11 o'clock to have Richard weld the bung in to the downpipe for the wideband. So you know, obviously I'm going to try to get as much done before that. Maybe I'll have the motor full by then. But yeah, I know you guys have been waiting. Obviously I've been waiting. It's been a long time coming, but it's here. Oh, by the way, for you guys who don't know, I'm Chuck. Nice to meet you. And yeah, the channel says driven 365, but the car is going to be down for a few days. So this technically doesn't count. So anyway, we're going to get that started as soon as I get home. Got my coffee, and it's well, when I get home it'll be about 8:15 a.m. So I'll talk to you then. Alright guys, as you can see, I am home, and so it took pain in the ass, that freaking Ultima, which is gonna suck because I don't know how long I'm gonna be driving it for, maybe only a week, but it took like half an hour just to get that thing started. I don't know what was going on, but I finally got it started. Also, what I did too was as you guys can see, I took the engine, the new motor off the stand for now. It's in that wheel, and yes, I did make sure I secured it, so with actually the old calipers, so it's not moving around much side to side. Obviously you can see that's nothing on there. I couldn't put this back on the engine stand, which sucked, because I put the flywheel on and put the flywheel and the clutch on, and now it's too long, too big. So that's where I'm at. We are going to actually, everybody was saying, take out the radiator and remove the whole motor and the tranny at once. Well, what I've seen is everybody actually takes off the front bumper and the support here, and then picks it up and brings the motor this way and tranny. So that's what we're gonna do. Like I said, I'm a little behind schedule, and I've got to go see Richard, so we've got to take off. We also got to take off the downpipe, so that way he could weld the bung on and all that other fun stuff too. So yeah, let's see how long this takes. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so this is interesting. Yeah, I took those 6 bolts out, and look at that. Damn! 6 bolts. Well, yeah, 6. There's 6, 8. There's got to be one or two more holding this on. Actually, I think the thing that's really holding it in right now is the fact that I still have the radiator in. I got to let the car cool down, because again, I had to start that car and I can feel it's still hot. So I'm gonna take off some of this other stuff while I'm here. Yeah, why not? Don't think I ever noticed this before, but I don't know what this dude is up with. He's got like sin, he put sin everywhere, and I don't know if that's a nickname for him or what, but I think Daddy did buy this. It's between that and the lights that we found yesterday. I'm glad I rescued you. Oh my god. Wow. Alright. So yeah, as you guys can see, I've got the intake out, all the other fun stuff. I'm starting to take this stuff off. Again, I'm waiting for the car to cool down, so I'll probably take this off when I get back. Just because there's hot coolant in the car. I'm trying to take as many things off as possible. So yeah, bear with me. I did figure out how this harness is supposed to go inside the car. There's a grommet where the harness actually goes into towards this side here, that's big enough for the harness connectors to fit on the inside, because the Haltech has to go on the inside of the car. And then this block right here, this is nothing. So this actually all bends that way. I just have to figure out how to, I guess I have to like cut somewhere so that this ground is long enough, but you know, it's coming. Wish me luck. Yeah. Alright guys, I haven't picked up the camera in a little bit. So I took out the downpipe and you know, removed some of the wiring and things like, or unhooked some of the wiring from the wiring harness to the motor. It's actually not that bad, and I shouldn't have any issues pulling the motor out. I'm just gonna check with while I'm at the shop. I'm headed out there now. I'm gonna check with Richard and see if he thinks I should definitely pull off the front support, the radiator support and stuff like that. And what else? Or should I try to just take out the radiator, which has to come out anyway, and pull the motor and tranny up that way? So I'll check, we'll see. I'm headed out there now in the quiet Nissan Altima. It's so quiet. Although, only good thing is I can hold the camera and not have to worry about shifting. But that's about it. It's an Altima. Yay. It's quiet. Uneventful. And the windows aren't tinted. Oh well. Ain't working.
I couldn't do that.
I mean, somebody needs to work out. Oh, I was just kidding.
Damn, there's no all on that.
No, I'm just kidding.
I ain't you, Chuck.
What? I like going to the gym.
I don't.
Alright guys, as you saw, I'm here at the shop. We're trying to drill the hole for the bung, and it's proven tougher than we thought it was going to be. So we got to run to Home Depot or Lowe's and get a new bit and drill the bigger hole. But you know, I don't know if you guys remember this is the shop. This is the purple 240, but you can't see what's in there. Can't show you that. Can't show you that. It's top secret. And then under the sheet there is yeah, I can't show you that either apparently, but it's hot. So is this one. Hopefully I can keep up. Probably not. These things are gonna be ridiculously fast. So yeah, we're gonna run the Lowe's like I said, and then get back to this. So yeah. Yeah, I had to walk away. I don't want to get blinded by the light. That was fun. I had to take a little trip because we had to get a better drill bit, a better step drill bit, because that metal is actually pretty good. That's the ISR DownPipe. It's actually legit. Finally made it back home. Took a while, and I only got like less than an hour before I have to go pick up Noah, and still got to pull the motor. Rashard did a pretty good job of welding that bung on, so it should work. We should be good, and I'm gonna go ahead and just continue working. I'm gonna empty the coolant and hopefully be ready to pull the motor when I get back. So let's get going again. Alright guys, as you can see, I got pretty much the whole front support off. Actually, I did get the whole front support off. The radiator is still attached, or that's the, I don't know what that is, but I'll figure it all out. This is what the garage looks like right now. Just car parts everywhere, and I've got to go get Noah. So I'm actually going to end the video here. Let me know what you guys think about it. It's a pain in the butt. I probably could have had this done sooner, but unfortunately I had to run out. So this is where I'm at right now. I'll probably continue this when I get home and hopefully have the motor ready to come out by morning. So let me know what you guys think about this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Go back, watch some of the other videos like I tell everybody else. And yeah, enjoy. Guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, I gotta hurry up. And until next time, make no limitation your only limitation. If you have any questions, ask me, or whatever, put them down in the comment section. Peace.